Hey y'all, welcome back to How Do You Cook? Back to Basics. Today I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs. So first thing you want to do is you want to place your eggs in a pot. You want to be able to put your eggs in a pot that's big enough to hold the amount of eggs that you're going to be using. So the next thing you want to do is add water to your pot. Now you'll want to make sure that you add enough water to your pot here, and that will cover all of your eggs. So this is how much water I have in my pot right now. Now once you have your eggs on your stove in cold water, you want to add a whole lot of salt to your water, because this helps the shell from sticking to your egg when you get ready to peel your egg. So we're going to turn the stove eye on high, and once that starts to boil, we'll come back and I'll show you what I do then. Okay y'all, so our eggs have begun to boil. So what you want to do is turn your stove eye down to medium low. And now you want to set a timer for 13 minutes and let those eggs boil for 13 minutes. Okay y'all, so our eggs are finished boiling. The timer went off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to kind of drain as much of this hot water out as we can without burning ourselves with the steam. Y'all be careful, it's steam here. So now what I do, as soon as it gets finished, I go ahead and turn the cold water on, and I just let that cold water pour over top of these eggs and kind of cool them down. And while I'm doing that, I kind of pour out the water a little bit. I want to cool down these eggs as quick as I possibly can. Okay, so now I'm going to put in enough water to cover all of the eggs. And now, after all the eggs are covered, I'm going to put in a cup of ice. That right there will cool down those eggs tremendously. So now it is time to peel our eggs. Let me just get a little bit of light here. Now that you've let your ice kind of melt a little bit, now you'll grab an egg just like this, and you'll kind of go around just like this on the side. And what you'll do is you'll try to find that piece in your egg, kind of get that skin to come right off of these eggs. Sometimes it peels right off, sometimes you have to get like one little piece at a time, but anyway, that's just a trick that I learned that will help you to peel your eggs a little bit more cleanly than, well, this one's not doing very well. It's not doing as good as I thought it would, but it's doing just fine though. Alright, so I got all that off there. I'm gonna rinse it just to make sure we got all that of that, and we'll put them in my bowl here so we can get all the water off of them. So the key is to crack your egg shell as much as you can. See how easy that one came off of there? That one came off there so simple. And we're just going to add it to our bowl, and then we're going to repeat. until every one of our eggs have been completely peeled. Okay, so our eggs are peeled and they're ready for me to make our deviled eggs. All right, so the thing that I do is I get my egg just like this, and I place it on a plate, and I don't cut it this way, I cut it long way. You cut it long way, just like this, just like that. And then what you'll do is you'll take the opening out, and you'll just squeeze the yellow part into that bowl right there. And then what you're going to do with your eggs right here is you're going to put them in a bowl, just like that. So we're going to continue to cut our eggs open and put our yellow in our bowl, because we're going to be making the filling in this bowl right here. Okay, so we are ready to make the filling for our deviled eggs. So first thing I do is I take a really long fork here, and I just smash all the yellow pieces that came out of the middle of the egg. You need to smash it pretty good. You don't want a bunch of giant chunks in your bowl. Okay, so that looks about good to me. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our sweet pickle relish. I usually don't measure, but for the sake of showing you all how to do this, I'm going to measure anyway. So this is 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. Put 1 in there, and I'm going to put another one in there. I think 2 tablespoons will be just enough. Okay, maybe 1, and the other is going to be like a heaping. So 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of mustard, right there. Just so I'll know exactly. So this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. We may not need all of this, so I'm just going to start adding my mayonnaise to my egg mixture and just start stirring. Actually, I am going to need all of it, because I don't like a dry filling for your deviled eggs. Okay, instead of using my fork here, I'm going to use my spoon instead. Let me move this over here. Okay, I'm going to start stirring. You might think that's a lot of mayonnaise, but like I said, I do not like a dry middle filling on my deviled eggs. I do not. It's one thing I do not like to taste. If somebody makes a deviled egg and it's like, I don't know, it's a really weird consistency if you don't have enough mayonnaise and all that good stuff in your filling here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add is I'm going to get me some salt and pepper. Always add a little bit. Okay. I like to add just a little bit of pepper, a tad bit of salt. Mix that in there. Now your relish will give that good flavor in there. I don't usually add too much relish because the relish can be kind of overpowering along with the mustard. Okay, so it's time to taste. Always taste your food, because if it doesn't taste good to you, then it may not taste good to other people. So I'm going to take a little test of what it tastes like. I think that's perfect to me. I think it's perfect. Okay. I'm going to clean up my mess here real quick. And then I'm going to show y'all how I fill my eggs. Okay, y'all, I was videoing, but evidently my phone decided to stop filming all of a sudden. So let me show you really quick how I filled these. So what I do is I usually get 2 spoons and I put a heaping teaspoon right there, and I just put it, use my other spoon and kind of just lay it over just like that. That's what I do. To top my deviled eggs, I use plain paprika here. Let me see, put it over here. Paprika. And what I normally do, I don't just dab it on there. I put it in my hand, just like this. I usually dab it in my hand just like that, and I grab my fingers like this, and I just kind of move it around in my fingers. That way you don't get paprika all over your egg. You don't have to put a lot, you don't have to put a little, you can just put as much or as little as you want. But that's what I put on my eggs. This is how I was taught. Put a little bit more right here. Right there in my hand. Just like that. Now I know my grandmothers and my mom, they used to always put paprika on our deviled eggs, y'all. Well, there you have it, guys, your deviled eggs. Now, wasn't that simple? So I hope you enjoyed this video on how do you cook back to basics. If you did, click that like button, and please do consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming simple recipes. Love you lots. Until next time, bye-bye now.